Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 9. The Fear. I woke before dawn, feeling a shiver crawl up my spine like a cat sneaking through the grass. The house was quiet, too quiet, every creak a shout in my ears. I tried to shake it off, pouring coffee, staring out at the fog that hugged the hills like a secret. Shadows moved where they shouldn't and my heart thumped like a drum in a parade I didn't join. I stepped outside, hoping the morning would steal the chill, but every gust of wind seemed to whisper doubt. Even the dog hesitated, ears pricked, sensing the same invisible weight. I told myself fear was just a story we tell, but it lingered, soft and patient. By mid-morning, sun warmed my shoulders and the tension melted a little. Still, I kept watch. Knowing fear doesn't vanish. It only shifts, hiding behind ordinary walls, waiting for the next moment we forget to notice it. Now listen to the poem. Shivers crawl before the day, shadows stretch where children play. Creaking floors speak louder than thought. Fog hides secrets the night has brought. Heart drums wildly, echoing fear. Even loyal friends pause near. Morning light softens, melts the chill, yet invisible weight lingers still. Fear is a story whispered low, a shadow always in tow. Sun may rise, warmth may stay, but fear waits patiently, soft as gray. Ordinary walls hide its face, shifting quietly, leaving trace.